Alright, everybody, welcome back to Aloft. Alrighty, so, wasn't really anything in the other islands, so I went ahead and jumped over here, and I have it marked. That is the island right there. So, yeah, let's, see what we get. Pretty sure it looks a bit like a combat island, so I'm boosting myself, and let's go see what shenanigans we can get into. Oh, and I'm getting a little bit of lag. More than a little bit of lag now. Ooh, that's you chained it together. Interesting. There's some of the corruption. Ooh, hello. Come on, you. Is that it on this island, or? Nope, it's still corrupted. That looks like a big old boat. Look at it. Alright, where is that corruption? It's really back here? Did I miss it? That's a big old tower thing. Alright, where is... So this is where the knowledge fragment thing is. Where is the enemy? Oh, there's a tree in my way. There we go. Is there a second part of the island or something that I'm missing? No, that's... Alright, yeah, that's what I figured. Wasn't covered, I wasn't sure. Alright. It's not on the boat, is it? Flew past it a few times. I hear something. Where is it? Shouldn't be that hard to find. Okay, I'm not seeing it here. Wait, is that part of this? No, it can't be. That's too far. Okay, I can't use that while the storm's... while it's still corrupted. Is that really part of it? It can't be. It's a heck of a distance. I can't see where I need to go for this one. Okay, it's inside the building. I didn't know you could do that with those. Maybe it's inside the boat? Oh, hello. Okay, so how do I get down into it? Well, let's go check back with the boat. Maybe it's somehow inside the boat. Okay, let's see if we can find our way around. Okay, that is nothing but mushrooms. Can this clear the way? No. Okay, let's see. So they made a bit of a maze out of this. Oh, my boosts ran out. Oh, those are those? No, those are just... I thought they were giant crossbows. I was gonna say, that would make this way too easy. I'd roll right up on top of whatever it is I'm supposed to be fighting. Okay, so I'm underneath the boat now. Come here, you. Okay. Yeah, they really made it a... Ah, there's the final one. Oh, is that stuff's popping? Interesting. Houses. Getting smacked around pretty good. Alright, let's finish you off, and hopefully you're the last one. Sounds like it. I got flowers growing back, so taking that as a yes. Nothing special here, apparently. Okay. Oop. Don't miss out on that soul crystal either. Let's see what this gives me. I thought I already knew the linen pillow. Maybe it's a different kind. So this is the ship. Ooh. Plenty of these flowers again. I think I am going to make a bunch of lanterns out of these things. I just haven't bothered yet. Alright. What's over here? Let's go check up here, because this is obviously where what I'm looking for is. Fancy temple looking place. Got plenty of keys, so not worried about that. Open sesame. That's a very impractical door. One side swings out, the other side swings in. Alright, let's see what I get here. New key. Ooh, what are you? Oh, just another simple bow. I already got one of you. Oh, I meant to dismantle you. Alright, what's over here? Another chest. Nothing special. I'm pretty sure I already know all the gourmets. Yep. Let's see what we learn. Come on, sawmill thingamajig. Ooh, fancy. Yes. Alright, I got plenty of wood to saw up, and let's see, anything else that's special that I can collect around here? I'll do a quick flyover. Make sure I didn't leave anything over here. Can't let these moon blooms go unpicked. I'd love to be able to plant them, but I understand why they don't want you to. Alright, let's go back to this one. See what... Oh! Let's see what the ship has in line for me. Alright, lower floor. Obvious storage. Ah, darn it. I can't jump up around. The angle of my jumps are not good today. Wait. Can I learn any of this? Nope, nope. Already know it. Oh, what are you? Oh. Hello, little guy. Send you home. Pick up the eggs. Oh, that's just some fibers. Coffee. Ooh, this is like a whole self-sufficient ship. Let's see. Can I learn wooden plant pot? I wonder if I can plant the flowers in those, because they have them in them. Oh, interesting. You have to add compost to them. I wonder. I might have to make another area for growing stuff. That is interesting. Comes down here. Because if I can grow stuff in the planter's pots. Nothing special there. Because that would explain why they give you so much fertilizer. Because if you can grow them in your plant pots, then that'd make sense for why you'd want to have so much fertilizer. Alright guys, I just got on a rant. I'm going to finish looking this over, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and all that stuff, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!